We are so excited with this Simply Cards and Papercraft edition. This is edition 193. And this has not only wonderful ideas, but look what you get. There are 25 clear stamps. Look at the size of those. This is all based on a licensed product, the Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady, and they are just very, very special and very, very pretty. So we'll get a little bit closer just so you can have a close look at these flowers, dragonflies, may your day bloom with happiness, and lots of flowers, and just very country things is what they're, because it's a country diary of an Edwardian lady. And then on the back there are a couple of ideas, but you know the magazine's going to have a ton of them. Now, in addition to the, did I tell you, 25 clear stamps, you also are going to get cutouts and papers. So the cutouts, of course, resemble the stamps and this look, which is so popular. And there are 62 cutouts. So you're going to get 2 sheets of this one. We'll get in just a tad closer. There you go. Thank you, Victor. And then also you get 2 sheets of that. And then you're going to get 12 double-sided papers. Now, the cutout sheets also have printed paper on the back, so nothing goes to waste. So you're going to get 12 double-sided papers. You're going to get 2 of each one that I'm showing you. Again, nests and birds and foliage and flowers and bees and butterflies. All of those are in this collection. And then we go back to the second set. So let's see what else you can do looking inside the magazine. Now, the magazine does feature the products that are in with it, but they also show other things. So let's look at some things that you can do with these beautiful, beautiful stamps. You're going to have so much fun coloring them. And you can see that you can put them just on white cardstock, or you can use the papers that are enclosed. Isn't that pretty? Very nice idea. And I think it's just great to see what other designers do, just to you know, give you some extra ideas. Now, here is a different kind of card. I'll show you how to do it. It is a gatefold card, but they've trimmed it into a circle. Now, you can use a dish or a glass to make that circle if you don't happen to have a cutting die. And more ideas, as you can see, just tons. Now, you don't have to color the entire image. You can just color a part of it. And I thought this was really fun to add a piece of burlap. Very nice. So lots of ideas. And then they've got more ideas. Now, this is not using what's in the kit, as I said, but it's going to give you some other ideas. These are called one-sheet wonders. And it's taking a 12 by 12 and using it in various ways to make more cards. And there are downloads that you can go to get kind of the template or the cutting pattern. So there are many ideas here showing you ways that you can use this. So the magazine is just chock full of ideas and ways to use things and other techniques. So this is quite a find. So again, Simply Cards and Papercraft, we are delighted these are exclusive with paperwishes.com.